If you've been trying to remove the Prezi logo from your presentation, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get a cleaner, more professional looking Prezi, whether you're on a paid plan or using a free basic account. This is especially useful if you're sending a presentation to a client, sharing it with a teacher, or showing it to an audience and you want it to look polished without the Prezi branding getting in the way. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, if you're on a paid Prezi plan, the process is very simple. You can remove the logo directly from the editor itself. That means once you're inside your presentation, you can adjust the settings and turn off the branding so your final presentation looks clean and professional. This is the easiest option if you already have a premium plan because everything can be handled right inside Prezi without any extra steps. Now, if you're using a basic free Prezi account, there's still a workaround you can use to send a cleaner presentation link without the logo showing on the screen. This method is really helpful when you want to share your work publicly or privately, but you don't want the bottom banner branding to distract from the content. To do this, start by going to your Prezi dashboard. Once you're there, find the presentation you want to share and click the share icon. From the sharing options, select View Link. This is where Prezi gives you the shareable URL for your presentation. Next, click Create New Link. Give the link a name so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to make multiple versions for different people or different presentations. After that, copy the generated URL string. Your normal Prezi link will usually start with something like https://prezi.com, but the important part is that you use the view link Prezi creates for you through the sharing options. When someone opens this modified link, the presentation launches in a cleaner full-screen embed style, which helps hide the bottom Prezi banner branding and gives your audience a more professional viewing experience. This is a great trick if you want your presentation to look more polished without upgrading immediately. Just remember, if you have access to the pay plan, removing the logo from the editor is the most direct method. If you're on the free plan, use the dashboard sharing method and create the new view link for a cleaner presentation experience. And that's it. Now you know how to remove the Prezi logo from a presentation depending on the account type you're using. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Prezi tip.